Hey guys, you're in a nutshell with me, Ina. Nako, simple lang ating tanong na sasagutin in this episode. What do Canadians think of Filipinos? Actually, naisip ko to gawin because ang ganda ng naging discussion namin dun sa isa po naming channel, yung Spot Pinoy. I have this channel with two other Filipino vloggers in Canada, si Rice Velasquez sa Montreal, tsaka yung Carino family, si Mark dyan sa Saskatchewan. Anyway, we discussed this in one of our recent live episodes. Although a little bit different lang yung framing ng question doon ano. Ang topic namin doon, saan ba kilala ang mga Pilipino dito sa Canada? So this time around, itweak ko lang ng konti. What do Canadians think of Filipinos? Okay, kayo ba? Kung baka meron kayong mga kaibigan dito sa Canada, ibang lahi na nag-share sa inyo ng observations nila, sa mga kababayan natin, sa atin, sa community natin, put them down there in the comment section. So, ang ginawa ko, guys, to answer this question, nagpunta ako ng Reddit. Reddit, okay? And there I found a group, no? Parang there's a space there wherein Canadians are asked different questions, random things, okay? Isa doon sakto, merong isang nagtanong, nag-post ng isang thread, nag-umpisa ng isang thread 8 months ago. At ito mismo ang kanyang tanong. Yun na nga, what do Canadians think of Filipinos? At dyan natin sasagutin, no? Sasamahan niyo lang ako basically, no? Basahin ang mga sagot nila dyan. Okay? Ito yan, no? 8 months ago, what do Canadians think of Filipino? Of people from the Philippines. Yan, okay. So obviously, primarily ito ay yung mga perception nila sa mga Pilipinong nandito ha, sa Canada. Ngayon kung ayaw nyo tapusin yung video, sige, I will tell you straight up. Generally positive ang kanilang perception ng pagtingin sa mga Pilipino, hard workers, magagaling sa healthcare, pero may isang lumilitaw kapag merong nababanggit na negative characteristic. Alam niyo kung ano yon? Mga chismoso. Why am I not sure? I mean, I am definitely not surprised. Bahagi na ng kultura natin yan sa Pilipinas, ano, ng mga Pilipino. I guess this is also a good reminder that when we are here in Canada, dapat maging conscious tayo dyan. Limitahan natin, bawas-bawasan natin ang panchichismis, talking about other people behind their backs, especially at the workplace. Kasi yan po yung nakikita kong mga sentimiento ng ilan. Okay, ng ilan. Siyempre, mas marami pa rin ang mga positive ang sinasabi tungkol sa mga Pilipino. So anyway, puntahan na natin ito. Sabi dito, what do Canadians think? Oh, yan, of people from the Philippines. Sabi nung una, top comment yata to, I moved from Nova Scotia to Alberta nung 14 years old daw siya. And his mom or her mom got a job at Tim's. We didn't know anyone in our new city, but my mom met a bunch of Filipinos at work. They took us right into their community. I can remember going to big parties with tons of amazing food I'd never even heard of. Met so many other kids. Karaoke was a blast. I look back on those times so fondly and have such a positive opinion of Filipinos. O yan, di ba? At finally, yung nagpunta rin daw siya ng Pilipinas 2023, Manila, Cebu, Bohol, Palawan, wow, nag-ikot. Sabi, the people, the beaches, and the food all exceeded my expectations. Diba? Nakakatuwa naman at least. Masayang-masaya sila for sure sa party ng mga Pilipino. Alam niyo naman dito, kapag mga Pilipino nag-organize, napakaraming pagkain, diba? And ako, personally, I love introducing Filipino dishes to yung mga those who are not so familiar with it. Ayan, sagot ng isa, working with Filipinos is the best. They basically adopt you. Sabi nitong sunod, very faith-based, family-oriented, love to have big barbecues. Yes. Pretty much this, good people, big into family, sabi nitong isa, delicious food, kind and hard-working co-workers. May sinasabi siya dito though, Filipino church drama is next level though. Ano kaya yun? May isa nakapansin, mahilig daw maglaro ng basketball. At ang sabi nung isa, yeah, I noticed. I never understood why a 5'2" guy thinks he's making it pro though. Ay, naman, they are committed to the sport despite their shortcomings. Sabi niya. Uy, meron din naman mga matatangkad na Pilipino, grabe naman 'tong mga 'to. The loving basketball trait is the first thing I associate Filipinos with. Yan, sabi ng isa. Also, like 50% of Filipino immigrants work in healthcare. Yan, talaga. Ang dami natin dito. Everything you said, but also, i-add daw niya, easily offended and hold long grudges. Totoo ba? Nagtatirim tayo ng sama ng loob daw? Easily offended rin? Maybe some, yan. Ayan, ito na ang nakakatuwa naman makita. Sabi nung isa, they have a superb reputation in Canada. My wife had an operation about 10 years ago and she was in the hospital for a few days. All of the nurses and orderlies who cared for her were Filipino and they were all incredibly sweet and caring toward her. Tapos sagot nung isa, yes! Yung third year daw niyang RN na student, na anak, sabi niya, sa clinicals, the nurses from the Philippines are incredibly kind, patient, and helpful to the students. They are truly exceptional in care settings, including PSWs. Yan. O, di ba nakakatuwa naman makarinig ng mga ganito? Nakakatuwa, especially sa mga panahon ngayon na alam naman natin, na pag-usapan natin na recent episode, medyo there is rising hate, ayan, towards immigrants, especially with, recent happenings sa sobrang dami po nandito. Alam niyo naman, ano yun yung sinasabi ko, no? Good people, friendly culture, but there's good and bad people like any. Of course, no, wag tayo maging hipokrito. Ang dami din nating mga kababayan. Ako po, gumagawa rin ng kung ano-anong kalokohan dito. Ano mo masaklap dito? Nakakainis. Yung mga Pilipinong nang sa scam ng kapwa Pilipino, no? Pero ang babait lalo sa iba. Bakit ganun? Nakakainis. Ang dalas nung ganyan. Yung mga consultant na nang loloko ng kapwa Pilipino. Ay nako, yung iba nga hindi consultant, nagpapanggap na maghahanap ng employee mula pa lang sa Pilipinas, tapos kukunin lang yung pera. Pagdating dito, kawawa naman, pinapunta nila dito bilang turista, biglang naglaho sila. Alam nyo na yan, yung mga ganyang story. Ano ba yan? Okay, punta tayo sa mga Canadians nga pala, no? Pinag-uusapan natin kung anong tingin nila sa atin. Sabi, okay, fun, family-oriented, and good people. Additionally, hardworking and humble. 10 out of 10 would recommend, sabi niya. Ako, ito. Yup, I've worked with Filipinos. They are very generous too. I had a Filipino co-worker once and he bought gifts for our entire office. I wasn't expecting that, honestly. Alam mo, totoo yan, no? Kami kapag naka-uwi kami ng Pilipinas, halimbawa si asawa ko si JJ, he would bring yung mga little small pasalubongs lang, like nagaraya, yung mga ganyang bagay lang pamimigay niya, let's say, sa supervisor niya. Sobrang big deal na sa kanila yun, ano. It's not common for them. So, they appreciate it very much. And not to mention, gustong-gusto nila yung nagaraya, nakakasabi ko lang. So, these little things really, alam mo, they leave lasting impressions, ano, sa mga ibang lahi. Nakakatuwa din. Sabi niya, and wow, do they bring great food wherever they go? Sabi niya, I shoot with a bunch of Pinoy folk, great people. Sabi niya. They are 100% amazing. In Toronto, whole neighbors have Filipino nannies and the old folks home with Filipino caregivers. Honestly, we owe that community a lot. I wish them and their children nothing but success if they choose to stay in Canada. I'm still friends with my nannies who moved on to be a nurse and the other work in a daycare. Ito na. Makakakita na tayo ng medyo not so nice feedback. Of course, guys, hindi naman tayo mga perfect, ano? Sabi niya, they might be hardworking, but not all of them are nice. Sabi niya, I did work for one once, supervisor daw niya or manager niya, no? Bragging, gossiping, and they bring this toxic work culture. That manager needed to know what was going on in everyone's personal life. Inaalam daw ang buhay nilang lahat. They don't like feedback on their work or criticism, especially negative ones. But they will always be kissing ass of their boss. Witnessed firsthand. Mga sip-sip din daw, sabi dito. As a manager, that person got negative feedback in an anonymous survey. The comments we got was really backwards thinking. That manager was just trying to zero in on who gave the bad reviews. I have never been in such a situation in any job in Canada. That is. So sabi nung isa, actually come here. Ito mga Pilipino, they actually come here the legal and correct way. Come here to work, real work, sabi niya. And for that, I have huge respect for them. Ito rin, inulit na naman to. Hardworking, friendly. Only downside is the gossiping and bragging. Modest and hardworking, come to Canada, sorry for the cold. Sabi. Yun na nga, talaga nga naman, yan ang big adjustment ng mga Pilipino, no? Yung lamig. Ito guys, katuwaan lang naman to. Tinanong ko si ChatGPT, okay? The same question, what do Canadians think of Filipinos? Out of curiosity lang. Siyempre, itong ChatGPT, alam niyo naman, nangangalap lang din yan ng kung ano-anong mga resources sa internet. Pero alam nyo, halos pareho din ang sentimiento, ang info na pinresent ni ChatGPT. Ito yan, no? Sabi ko, what do Canadians think of Filipinos? O sabi niya, Canadians generally have a positive view of Filipinos, as the Filipino community is well regarded for its strong work ethic, friendliness, and community values. Ito daw yung few key points. Talaga nga naman, no? Work ethic and professionalism, family and community values, cultural integration. Yung sabi dito, Filipinos are known for integrating well into Canadian society while maintaining their cultural identity. At many Canadians, nakakatawa, enjoy Filipino food like lumpia, pansit, and adobo, and cultural traditions. Ayan, okay? Tapos tinanong ako ni ChatGPT, gusto ko daw ba mag-share siya ng stereotypes both positive and negative? Okay, again, na sinasabi ng Canadians tungkol sa mga Pilipino. Sabi ko, yes, sige. Ito ang sagot niya. Positive, yun ulit, no? Hardworking, warm welcoming, generosity, cultural ambassadors, etc. Dito tayo sa negative or mixed observations. Katulad din dun sa Reddit, occasional gossip or clannishness. Ayan. Clannish, ibig sabihin parang gusto natin tayo-tayo lang lagi, no? Ang nag-uusap, magkakasama, ganyan. Meron siya mga direct quotes na nakuha from Reddit rin. Only downside is the gossiping and bragging. Mayayabang daw yung ilan. Some of the most dramatic people I have also met when it comes to resolving conflicts. Ayan. Sabi dito, many of them daw, marami daw sa atin, anti-indigenous and racist. Wow. Guys, gusto ko pala balikan yung Reddit I skipped one. Dapat ito i-share ko. Isang comment, not so nice. Sabi, ship them all back. Nako, rude raw. They are rude and yap amongst themselves where they work at no frills in their own language. Meron pa ako guys na nakita na ganito lang ang sentimiento. No? Sa workplace daw, nagugrupo-grupo yung mga Pilipino speaking in Tagalog, I assume. No? Ano man pong dialect pala. Local dialect natin. Guys, let's be conscious about that, no? Ako nga kahit minsan nasa grocery lang ako. Kahit kinakausap ako pa ni JJ ng Tagalog. Minsan ini-English ko pa rin siya because, you know, when outside, I really wanna make an effort to do what Canadians do, and that is speak English. No? Kung marunong nga ako mag-French, no? Aralin ko din yung French. Pero guys, lalo na siguro sa workplace, syempre, I think that's just proper etiquette. That when there are other people who don't understand your language, speak a language that is common, which is English. So yun lang naman guys, syempre, it's not perfect. Again, mga usap-usapan lang naman po to sa social media. We know, may basahin din po naman talaga yung ilan dyan. But let me know what you guys think about this. Put them down there in the comment section. I'll end this episode here. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!